This is the Big Bang Gang Conspiracy, Act 1. The standard story science says the Big Bang started as a tiny, infinitely hot, infinitely dense speck. In a fraction of a second, it expanded faster than light. But their formed galaxies clustered, stars burned, and billions of years later, Earth appeared. It sounds neat, doesn't it? Too neat. Even Einstein struggled with the idea. His equations hinted at an expanding universe, but he refused to believe it. Later, when Edwin Hubble discovered galaxies racing away from us, scientists said, "Aha, this proves the Big Bang." But here's the catch. The Big Bang is still just a theory, and cracks are beginning to show. Act 2. The first doubts. Did you know that not all scientists agree with the Big Bang? Some physicists whisper that the evidence we use, like the cosmic microwave background radiation, could be explained differently. Others argue that the universe looks too ordered, too fine-tuned, as if someone wrote the rules. Even stranger, what existed before the Big Bang? Where did all that energy come from? The theory refuses to answer. Instead, it says, time itself began at the Big Bang. Convenient, right? But history is filled with other models that were buried. The steady-state theory, suggesting the universe has always existed, constantly creating matter. The idea of a cyclical universe, expanding, collapsing, then exploding again, forever. Or the possibility that our universe is just one bubble in an endless multiverse sea. So why did only the Big Bang survive? Act 3. The conspiracy angle. Here's where things get dark. Some conspiracy theorists claim the Big Bang theory wasn't just accepted because of science, but because it served a purpose. The first version of the theory came from Georges Lemaitre, a Catholic priest who saw it as proof of divine creation. Let there be light. It conveniently aligned with religion at a time when science and faith were at war. Later, governments and institutions poured money into Big Bang research, silencing other theories. Why? Because the Big Bang gave humanity a safe origin story. Beginning, a way to wrap the universe into something understandable. But what if the truth is, the universe has no beginning? What if time stretches infinitely in both directions, and we're trapped in one tiny cycle? Act 4. Evidence of something else strange. Anomalies keep showing up. Astronomers discover galaxies that seem to old, existing long before the Big Bang should have allowed. There are massive structures, like the Hercules. Corona Borealis. Gray walls spanning billions of light, so large they shouldn't exist under Big Bang rules. And then there's dark matter and dark energy, making up 95% of the universe. The Big Bang can't even explain what they are. It's almost as if the universe is playing a trick on us, or worse, as if someone designed it to keep us from seeing the truth. Act 5. The forbidden theories. Here is where the conspiracy gets wild. Some physicists suggest that the universe didn't bang into existence at all, but was simulated. Yes, a simulation, a coded reality, running on laws written by someone or something. Others claim the universe was born not from nothing, but from the collapse of another universe. Meaning, we live inside the ashes of a much older cosmos, and then there are whispers about time dimensions, hidden layers of time stacked on top of each other. If true, then our Big Bang was just one event in an endless, incomprehensible timeline. What if the Big Bang isn't the beginning, but just a checkpoint? Act 6. The dangerous question. If the Big Bang never happened, why are we being told it did? Some say it's because the truth is too terrifying. Imagine waking up one day to realize the universe has no origin, no beginning, no end. Just an endless void, stretching forever, recycling itself endlessly. Humanity clings to the Big Bang because it gives us comfort, a story to hold on to. Others believe there is something more sinister, that the knowledge of the universe's true origins could unlock powers we aren't ready for. Time travel, alternate realities. maybe even contact with civilizations far older than our own. So the question remains, did the universe truly begin with a bang, or are we prisoners of a story, told to keep us from peeking behind the cosmic curtain? The Big Bang gave us an answer, but maybe it was the wrong one, and maybe somewhere out there, the real truth waits, watching, laughing at how little we know.